He's acting very weird. Okay, let's do this last test. Anyway, I think it's a sign. It's a sign that we need to go. You know, I think it's a sign. So we do this last test, but I think it will be fine. So we start the server and the client, and we start to create and delete petitions so much just to see if it works. But I think it will be fine. I think it will be fine. Hey, thanks for staying, by the way, because the server went down. But thanks for staying. This song I never heard. Okay, let's do some tests, but it should be okay. I mean, some additional tests would be like to enter like crazy text into the description, trying to break the server. So entering some escape characters, entering some weird stuff, and see if he crashed the server. I mean, in general, that should be done on every single UI and every single place where you can enter some text. But I think everything is escaped on the database side, so it should be okay, but you never know. Okay, so number 4 is gone. Now we can try to cancel a few others like this one. Let's try to delete it. Fuck. It didn't. It didn't. It's still the same thing, so the database is okay. Yes. Database is okay, but we didn't catch the right result. Why we didn't catch the right result? What is that result going to be? I recompiled, right? Yes. And I restarted, so how is it possible? This thing is not correct, huh? Select single number, is it the same? Maybe it stops here. No, because the update is getting done, so let me just check. Select single number, select ID from blah blah blah, and no, but this one I think works. Is this one that is not working? This result equal to 0. We did greater than 0. What the fuck is this thing returning? This thing is returning. Maybe we return like a -1 or something. I think it's not returning what we want. Okay, we need to debug it. We need to debug it. 1 second, but it will be quick. It will be quick. It will be quick. Don't worry. It will be quick. It will be quick. We just need to see which value we are getting here and then just report it properly. Before it was greater than 0 and it was not okay. Then I did equal to 0 and it's not okay. So I guess it's less than 0. There is only one other possible case, you know? Because before it was greater, I did equal, and so I think it's less than. So it's probably returning a -1 or something. It's pretty weird, but that's what it is. Maybe it's returning nothing. No, but nothing is impossible because he's returning something into an int. We will see right now. We will see right now. As soon as I click on one, we will see. So the fourth one disappeared. Delete. But why didn't it didn't even go through? Are you serious? Okay. So he's stopping before that. He's stopping before that. Let's try to cancel another. Okay, this one. His GM request should be false. Select from positions where blah 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 and player ID. So where petition is 20, player ID is me. Select single number. That is failing here probably. Select single number. If result is minus. No, it's not failing here. So update petition. Petition ID. What is this result? Result is 1. Okay. It was greater than 0 before. Wasn't already like this? It was already like this. I don't understand. It was already greater than 0, unless I'm looking at the wrong one. Let me see if there is another. You see, it's already greater than 0 here. db command. Let me see if there is another db command. Maybe I changed the wrong one. No, it was less. Was like this. Was less or okay. So we have to change it to greater. All these ones that are db command, we have to change them to greater than 0. Different than 1. Yes, this is correct already. Change walk. Couldn't update on its instance. Greater than 0. Yeah, it's a bit of a risky change, but because no, wait, I should not do this. I should not do this. I should not do this without thinking, because maybe some of these functions are returning false instead of true. So I should not do this. I should do it only here where I know that is what I want, but not in the other places. I should absolutely not do that. And must replace without knowing exactly if I want the false or the true is like asking for trouble. So I will just change it here, okay? I will just change it in the case that we are testing now. So I returned 1, so greater than 0 should be fine. I will just debug it again because I think for some reason I think it doesn't want me to go to bed, and so it's just failing because it wants to fail. And I know you want to listen to the Song of Victory. I know you want to. Now you are curious and you will say, what is this song? What is the Song of Victory? I know you want to know. And I did it by purpose. Okay. This is a weird song. Okay, so now the result should be correct, okay? I can remove the breakpoint and we see if it works. If it doesn't work, we re-enable it, okay? Disable all breakpoints. So there are only 2 left. We will go with this one, second request. We click on delete, okay? Fuck. He didn't do it! He didn't do it. Okay. Okay. We do it the first one. What the hell is this result, bro? Result is 1, so if it's greater than 0, which is 1, you know, you should freaking remove it. Then it's failing here for some reason. If petition array, get petition array, receive petition message, cancel was successful, and then broadcast dirty petition. So you should broadcast to me. I think he timed out. Fuck. He timed out on the client. Yeah, he timed out because I waited too much. But it should broadcast to me that the petitions are. So it should have worked. Why it doesn't? I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get it. Mistakes were made. Mistakes were made. Mistakes were made, huh? Include self is false as a default. Why? I have no idea. But anyway. I mean, why is false as a default? But anyway, for sure, we need to send it back to us. So here include self should be true. Now probably because in the old game we were removing the item on the client side directly, probably, while here we are not. And no, probably because we were removing it with this thing. Do I pass the ID? Petitions, get petition array, petition cancel. Yeah, it's this. So basically, I can also solve it the other way. I can also solve it. I can also solve it the other way. So basically, we receive on the client a message that the deletion has been successful, and we receive the list of petitions again. So we can just call client side. I mean, it's a bit of a mess, but okay, let's do it this way. I mean, at least I do it the way it was done previously, you know. I do it the way it was done in the old client. So we basically don't send the full list again to me. We send it only to the GMs, and to me I send the information that the petition has been cancelled. But anyway, it's the same because I resend the whole list. So I mean, at the end it's the same, but let's do it the way it was done. Let's do it the way it was done. You don't know the Song of Victory, yeah? Obviously, you know, because I invented it. But there is no. I said there is one song that I wanted to play, but I didn't play because I just put it in the random list, you know. So I said, okay, when it comes out, it comes out, you know. When it comes out, it comes out. But considering there are, I don't know how many, but like 500 or 600 songs in the list, maybe it will never come out. And so I said, maybe. And so I said, wait a second, I need to click on this. And so I said, I will play it when this thing works. And that's why I called it a Song of Victory, because it was like associated to the fact the thing was working. So I think we need to do, we need to detect when we get the freaking receive message, which I don't know where is it, but it should be here somewhere. Receive petition message. Okay, so when we receive the cancel, yeah, it's pretty stupid anyway. When you see the cancel, I just go here. Well, actually not, because if he's a GM, if I receive the cancellation of one, yeah. But anyway, yes, absolutely. If I receive the cancel, I do the same thing. I just refresh the list. So I mean, it's the same thing. Huh? It's not that different. It's not that different. Hello. Passive fan is now following? Really? It took you all this time? Ah, but on Twitch. On Twitch. So now you are multi-platform. Now you are multi-platform. Good job. Good job. I want to grow the Twitch side, so maybe you can watch on Twitch sometimes. Because you know, when people see there is like one viewer, they just go away, just run away in pain and fear, screaming. But if they see there is like 2 or 3 or 4, maybe they stay. Because they say, oh, if this guy has someone watching, means there is something interesting in here, you know? Because they don't see the number of the YouTube ones, so they only see the ones of the... So now we basically deleted all our petitions, right? We deleted all our petitions, but you know we can do a trick, considering we're hitting the database, which is a very bad idea. But we can move all this one to open again. No, all the one belonging to me though. We can change, even if I don't know if there is a close date, but probably not. I can open them all again and save them all again. So these are all open. And now when I receive the list, if I create a new one and receive the list, give me the list. Okay. Boom, they are all appearing again, huh? This is magic. Okay, so now I want to click on this delete and I want to see this thing going away, okay? Ah, Jesus, thanks. Thank you. Okay, so we can change things. Are you sleeping? No, I'm not. So I can save, and now it's updated. I can delete and it goes away. I can create. GG, it worked. Okay, this mission, at least this mission, this piece of mission is completed. So we can flag this as done, including all the sub points. This one. Okay, so all the player window. So for what the player can see, this function is completed. Now we need all the GM1, which is I don't think would be too complex because this one anyway is calling some of the same functions, but I don't remember what this means. Convert the PS petition message to allow real-time information in the petition window. Yeah, but it's what we are doing. Yeah. I think this one we did it already. This one I think I can probably flag it. I'm not 100% sure because I don't know if it's everywhere, but I think we understood how it works, and it will be real time, so you're getting updates all the time. One of the issues that we are hitting the database all the time, but okay, good. Everything works. So now is the time for the song that I was telling you. What is the song? I need to find it though, because I put it in recently. By the way, I think it never played. I put it in recently. I put in a new game, which is a very old game. Yeah, he's here, but he's never playing. Strange, because he has 14 tracks. 14 tracks. We will play only the first one. You ready? You have to be a bit old to know this song. If you are like from 16 to 20, I think you will not know it. Maybe from 15 to 30 you will not know it. But anyway, there is it. This song. I mean, if you played Doom, you remember this song like a lot. If you never played it, this will mean nothing to you. It was a very cool game at that time. It was one of the first games that were actually 3D. Apart from the really early ones like Wolfenstein 3D and things like that, but Doom. Do you remember Doom? No, you don't remember it. I mean, if you never played it, you should play it. It's still, it can still be played on. Can still be played on emulator for sure. I mean, not the new one. Obviously, they redid it. They redid it recently, well, 2015 or whatever. I mean, not very recently, or 16 or 17. I don't know when it came out, 16. But it's another one. I'm speaking about the original one. Yeah, exactly, this one. It's this one. And the music will be there with that one. You hear this music? Is that just a bit more 8-bit? But this was the game. It was super fun game. Super fun game. Very simple at the end, but super fun. And a bit scary, by the way. A bit scary. Okay, but I think that you can maybe play the new Doom. Okay, with that, I think I'm gonna close the stream. I think we did good stuff. We have the window working, we have the basic functionality working, so I think that tomorrow we can work on the Game Master one. If I can, I will do something off stream, so you are not getting too much of the grind, okay? Because there is a bit of grind anyway going through this. But Yeah, maybe I will just ensure that some of the C++ is in good shape before coming to stream. But I think that this function should be, I don't know, we will see tomorrow. Should be fine. And then we will close this mission. When we close this mission, boys, we really need to think what to do next, because we are starting to be close. I think we need to improve combat a bit, and then we need to release another alpha, because I think we are ready for another alpha. I think we are ready. Okay, we will think about it, but finishing this mission is quite important because it's the last of the, let's say, needed pieces to have the porting kind of done. I mean, there is still stuff. Obviously, there are still few missing pieces, but okay. I think I'm gonna go. So speak to you soon. Hopefully tomorrow. At the moment, I think I'm gonna stream. Then let's see if something happens. Or if I have to. I don't know if I have to. Maybe tomorrow. I think I have to meet some people tomorrow. We'll see. See you, boys. Bye bye. See you. Let's see if I can wave. See you.